Okay, let's get back to the Chapter 1 test review, and these are going to be questions 11 and 12, and it'll be based on the following, which would be a financial ratio called return on assets. Return on assets. And return on assets is basically net income divided by average assets, and this is a simple average for the average assets. And what you're trying to find out in this ratio is how much income did the business generate with the amount of assets it had to work with. Alright, and what a company can do with the assets that it possesses. That's basically what it's trying to measure. So let's look at our question number 11. Hakatumi Pawn Shop reports net income of $25,000 for 2009. At the beginning of 2009, it had $150,000 in assets. At the end of 2009, assets had grown to $200,000. What is Hackett's 2009 return on assets? And round your answer to one decimal place. So, return on assets equals net income divided by average assets. In this case, we've got $25,000 of income divided by $150,000 plus $200,000 added together and then divided by 2, which looks like it's going to be $25,000 divided by 175,000, and that's going to give us a 14.3% return on assets. And that's our first answer. Number 12. Fastlane has net income of $29,955 and assets at the beginning of the year of $211,000. Assets at the end of the year were $257,000. Compute its return on assets, and we're supposed to round this to the nearest one decimal place. So there's our formula, and we know that $29,955 is the income. You add together 211 and 257 divided by 2, and that's going to give you $29,955 divided by 234,000, which turns out return on assets expressed as a percentage is 12.8%.